Once your data is set up in Kohezion, you might want to see it organized in a calendar. In this example, we'll be working with a database that has orders and order dates. The calendar view is extremely useful if, for example, you wanted to visualize the orders that are due to be fulfilled. First off, in the workspace, let's execute a search. This will return all the data in the grid view. But let's say we want to better visualize anything that might be time sensitive. To do so, in the View dropdown, we can select the calendar view for, let's say, order dates. Kohezion will fetch the calendar and will display each order. You can see the details of any order by simply clicking on it. This calendar can be shown in a monthly view, in a weekly view, or even in a daily view. If you're using date-time fields, this view will display the time span. In this case, we aren't, so the orders are simply shown here, on top.